Mark, it is 6:15 in the morning. What are you doing still in bed? We're gonna be late.
Dad, I'm not going to school today. I think I feel sick.
Cut the crap, Mark. You don't even look sick to me. Now, let's go. Get up, now.
No, I don't feel good, Dad. My stomach hurts. I got a cough, and I may need to go to the hospital.
Oh, stop it, Mark. You are being so dramatic. You look fine to me. Now, get up and get ready now. No, I'm not going to school, Dad, so just turn off the light and get out of my room. Get up, you!